that one look new? That's nice. But
oh my goodness.
so is that
$600.
200 she wants for? It's sterling. But
yeah, isn't
that's
that something?
lovely.
And then there's this one here too.
Oh, is that one sterling too?
This one here is from 1828. It's Hall in Houston, Albany, New York. And it's got all the little...
Wow.
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
They are. So what is the price on this one then and that one?
That one there, I had, well, it's worth $600, but that's, there's no way. I'd probably...
It's worth 600. That's hard to believe, isn't it?
$50 I would go on it. That's absolutely as low as I would go on it.
And is this one sterling too?
Yeah, there's your marks here.
Oh yes.
Yeah. This little spoon is not the original one.
Oh, okay.
But it's one of the old ones.
Yeah. Isn't that lovely too? Look at that. How fine detail that is. And it's not chipped around the edge or anything.
Yeah, no, it's in perfect condition.
They are, oh, they're so nice. Do you like them?
They are nice.
And then what do we owe you for the books there?
25. I'll give you a hell of a deal today.
Yeah. And this too. I'll take that too.
Give me 100, and I'll throw this one in.
Okay. You talked me into it.
Oh, you're getting both of those and the books.
You're
Yeah.
getting a hell of a deal here.
You're always so good to us.
Yeah, that's
Why we
right.
keep coming back. Though.
Well, I've got
Like we
lots
came
of
here
gorgeous stuff in
just to
storage.
see you, so. All right. Oh, thank you.
Just tuck that one right in there.
That's perfect.
There, this
So
is
I'll
your-
take that one,
Yeah, these
and
are-
he can take the books.
Oh, okay.
I'll take the breakable stuff.
There you go.
Awesome.
We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Yep.
Probably
I can
will.
find you some more treasures.
Oh,
Fantastic.
sounds good. This is.
Thank you very much.
We don't even.
And treasure those.
I will. Thank you for such a good deal. Oh, they're just gorgeous.
Yeah, they're special. You'll never see them again.
No, probably not. No, they're going right into the china cabinet. That's
Yeah.
where they can be protected.
Yeah, and they'll live there for another 40, 50 years.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We'll love them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah, we don't even stop at the other one. We just come straight here
Yeah, right.
to see you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
This is the best booth.
Yeah, I do have lots of nice treasures.
You do. I bet your house, is it full of
Well,
treasures?
I've tried to restrain myself because I live in a very small one-bedroom seniors apartment. There's only so much room.
Yeah.
Kind of apartment where you have to go in the hallway to change your mind. That's my place. Alrighty,
Well, thanks again. Yes.
okay.
You take care. Don't work too hard.
Yeah.
Attorney. Yeah, it needs to be rewired though, hey? Yeah.
He pees.
He pees?
Excuse me.
Oh yeah, sure, sorry. Really? Yeah. Oh my god, that's hilarious. What do you think about that?
But if,
Yeah?
as soon as you
pick it
realize
up.
when you
Yeah. That is funny.
That's great.
Yeah. Yeah, with the heat. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Maybe we should probably get that, hey?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. He's with me. Yeah. Yeah. You don't I guess. I'll admit he's with me. Yeah.
That's not good.
Put that later. Oh. These are valuable. For $3, I think we need to get that. I can sell that for a lot.
Okay.
And she's not even broken or anything. And she has her earrings. So I'll get that going. Okay. Did you add it all up yet? Oh.
22.
$22.50.
Okay.
Just take 20.
Because these are really good prices to begin with.
There's that and that.
Thank you.
Thank you. These I think we can do good on, hey?
Hopefully, yeah.
Back for the whole box.
Attractive.
Some of them are, yeah. I think I saw a Massey Harrison one.
Okay.
Don't want her to get chipped up. She's so nice. I don't know if I can get rid of her. Even has the original paper tag. That's cute.
Like she's like, and then she's like, well, I got stuff too. Put out a table for me, and I'm like, so now you're just gonna make me look like more of a hoarder.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Oh, good. It's not too hot yet.
No, not yet. It's gonna get hot.
It is nice in here, yeah, yeah.
Yesterday it was reading 120 by the end of the day.
Was it? Oh
Yeah.
my god. It's supposed to be hotter today than it was yesterday.
Yeah. I know. I like sat back here. I had like 10 fans. My mother-in-law sat out there with like the sun beaming on her. I'm like, you're crazy.
I can't do that. So
Wow.
I didn't even see the baby there.
Oh,
Is she for sale?
Yeah, I wish.
absolutely not.
I've been trying to buy her off my brother since she was born.
My granddaughter,
oh,
Charlotte Rose.
Oh.
that's a nice name.
Just a little chubby monkey with his little.
And this hookah table.
Yeah. Yeah, and what is that attached? Oh,
Yeah.
it is. Yeah. Neat.
That is
I've
pretty
never.
neat. And did you see these old prints?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Let you look through those.
Those are really nice.
Are you firm on your price there?
Oh no. Everything's negotiable.
these. Oh my goodness.
Look at.
Oh, those are old court.
These are old court drawings for like the news.
Yeah.
Or paper.
Yeah.
So, because in Canada here, we don't allow video cameras in our courtrooms like they do in the U.S. So,
Yeah. And those are all from, I think they're from the 80s? And I don't know which one it's from. Found those at my dad's.
Milligan, Lillian Hess Inquest. So Milligan is the artist,
Yeah.
and this is from 1980. Wow. I just wouldn't have a clue what something like that is worth.
Neat.
Isn't it?
Yeah, they're not up very long, so
It's really cool.
Oh, did the baby wake up?
Wow, there's so many.
It's okay, I'll pick you
Oh,
up.
there's more?
Muffin.
Oh yeah. Well, there was some of these other prints that I thought you might want to, like.
It's so interesting. I don't know what I would do with something like that.
See, like this one is signed. It's a lot of old prints here.
Yeah, it is. This is a 6 out of 360, 65 out of 350.
And this one.
Yeah, that is old, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. I like this one. Some really beautiful ones here.
I mean, there is. You're right.
Look at these ones.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice.
And this.
And these.
You want?
Stick those-
You
yeah.
want those?
Yeah,
Okay. It's this one in red.
yeah,
Yeah, that's a nice one.
yeah, yeah. All those ones at the bottom there.
These are
I
all-
just hadn't quite gotten to that part of
Wow.
the. I was just fascinated by those court drawings.
Yeah. Is it that one?
Yeah, yeah. I like that one.
And then there was this one I didn't know if you'd want.
I could. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's. Oh, you put that there?
Yes.
Yeah. I guess let me look at it here.
Okay. Just trying to see what else is.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of court drawings, hey?
Yeah. There's even more. You found even more.
Yeah. What about that dude?
I'm probably gonna leave the court drawings because I just don't know
Yeah.
what the heck, you know. I mean, they could be worth something, but well, we're not going to display them, so.
No. Oh, here's a watercolor court drawing.
Wow. Keep trying to look at you around this thing.
Just trying to look at, but like a lot of these are like 70.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know.
they're not that old.
No, not like some of these.
Yeah.
Let me look on that other side there.
So I'd be interested in a good stack, but I mean, I probably only want to pay about $2 each or something.
Depends on which ones. Like, cause like, some of them I know are like actually worth money. I just don't have the time and patience to like, look.
That's the power we've been making there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this one I'd do for $2. This one I could do for $2. I would do all these ones for $2 each.
Okay.
And then if this one would still be
I would probably leave that one.
okay.
Yeah. I think we're happy with that.
Yep. Look at these side tables. Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
That's really neat.
3. I think there's 23. So just if you want to, I don't trust.
Like 23 sheets of paper?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I count 13. I thought you were going up by twos.
Yeah, that's exactly because I was counting. Yeah.
$2 too. So
Yeah.
26 is what I count.
Yeah.
$26.
Yeah. And can you tell I'm a teacher?
Well, as long as it's not math, I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Well, enjoy the pictures.
Thank you. We
Thanks so
will.
much.
Yeah, these are great.
Okay, have a good one. See you later.
Thank you. Bye, baby. Can you open that? Oh,
Oh,
where are you
right.
going?
I don't know. I don't know. I was just pointing it out.
These are neat. Eh?
Made out of jade.
Yeah, I think so. They're cold. Laugh. Somebody wrote on it so that they would know. No. Yes, Amanda would like these. What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know if that one is. Something else. Probably.
That's all
She like
taken
those,
that
no?
far.
Sure.
She likes Asian stuff. Isn't it funny? Like this is a juice, like for breakfast or whatever.
Yeah.
But like so tiny.
Look how small the juice was.
A shot of juice.
I'll have 6 glasses of juice, please.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Nope. Okay.
Yes, you too.